Okay, we're gonna go with some washers here. Hopefully 2 washers will do it. And we'll peel the red stuff off. I will have this little washer already in here, and I will stick that on. And once it's stuck on, and hopefully it stays stuck, the screw will come straight through and should work. As long as it stays stuck to the giant washer. And this stuff's pretty sticky overall, it just didn't stick to itself very well. Let's give it a go. Yeah. Now, the only thing it doesn't stick to is the stuff that peels off here. Okay, got the right piece off. Feels sticky. Sometimes I'm wondering if I'm peeling the wrong thing. Oh, looks like we're gonna get some rain here in a bit. Oh, sticks to me good. Okay. Found a different washer, so I'm not using a lock washer this time in case you see that. So that's there like that. Let's see if I can pull it off. It's giving it a pretty good tug. So, maybe we're good to finish up here. Now, how's it going to stick in there? Make sure drill bits in forward. Forward and slow. See what we can do to get this in here on the very end. We're all done with you. Oh, no, we aren't all done with you. We can still use you right now. Put you down here. Set you guys out of the way. Put you on the fire. Washers out of the way. A lot of cleaning up to do still. Okay. I wonder if this will split the wood. I wonder if I should drill a little bit ahead of time. I wonder if I'm going to care to try. I'll just go slow. But let's watch it and see. No splitting so far. Oh, let's see. Let's see. It's like that. It's like that. Okay. There. That felt solid. Oh, that feels real solid. You saw it. Give it a good twist jerk. That's on there. No splitting either. Nothing split. Everything's fine. And there's some bird crap going off the roost. Okay, now let's put it to the test. So we just come over here, take off our goggles, get a little pinch and twist, come over here, and now pinch and twist. And now it's on. And I wonder what happens recording upside down. Let's go put it over by the sawmill. Right next to the sawmill. any way we want. So I'm going to go ahead and do a twist off and realign it. So no, that was not the way I wanted to do it. How did I manage to do that backwards? That's the way I want it. So I can see the screen. Okay, so it's hanging straight down right now. Don't know if it makes the, almost straight down. I don't know if it makes the pole blind like it's hanging in the air or not. We'll test that out later. Okay, so here I am at the mill. The blade's adjusted high enough. I can push it and run the length. Oh, didn't turn on all the lights. That blinds everybody. I thought it was a little dark in here. What else am I missing? Well, that's all the lights. So the Fusion's hanging straight down. It's probably 5 feet off the 5.5 feet off the ground. And I'm going to go ahead now. It's on a hinge, so I can tilt her up. Let's see what that does. That's as far as it's going to tilt that way, and it can tilt that way. I don't know if that really does anything, but right now it's 90 degrees outward, and theoretically, it's probably hitting this bar though right there, but it should be able to pick up down like that. It's farther away. I don't know what significance this would be, other than it's all on one side. No, there'd be no seam or the seam would be all above my head. So that would be interesting. I don't know what it's, so now we'll just go straight down again. Now the seam should be right here. Of course, the whole thing's swinging. I can stop it from swinging. I don't know if that was showing up. And I'm going to move it so it's up against a board. Helps to keep it from wobbling. Dangle. I don't know if it really makes a difference to stop it from swinging. It'll be fun to watch this. Okay, I'm standing at the seam on the north end. Now I'm coming back into view. It's head height. But you can see, let's see, the pull cord right here. So I'll be able to show that over my shoulder. Like that, power was off. And so all that shows up. That's back here. Okay, let's try the camera from a different position. See how easily it moves? Of course, it's running out of battery. I could be able to hang a battery with this too to make it last forever. Now it's on the other side of the sawmill hanging down. Back it up a little out of my way. Okay, so now it's on that side. Upside down, bright lights bugging it, so let's move on down. Let's see what it does. Okay, now we'll go watch some of this video and see if it looks like it would do what I want down here, which is to keep the 360 has a really cool feature of being able to what's called over capture. You'd have to figure that one out, but basically it records 360, but then I can turn it into a regular view and have it point at whatever I want to from the 360 recording. And instead of having the cameras, we had some cameras that would have active tracking. They kept failing. So this is basically, to me, a more convenient form of active tracking, though the resolution is always going to be 1080p on this until they come up with higher res cameras, because that's what the frame rate will be out of the over capture portion. Oh, it's springtime. Get itchies from everything out here, from plants. And the plants can get itchy in a couple ways. One, They can just get you itchy because of their oils in them. 2, they can just scratch you, rip you open, and then when you heal, you're itchy. 3, a little red sunlight gets you itchy. Oh, what's the other itchy? There's another one. Oh well. Springtime in Oregon. Look at all the birds. Okay, I think that's it for today. I think the project is done. We'll see how well those results look. Got way too much time on here. Have a lot of editing to do. But I have a cool camera system. GoPro stop.